Hello, hello. Welcome back to Podcast by MrB.
Hi, everyone. I'm Anna.
And I'm MrB. This is your cozy place for easy English.
We talk slow, we talk simple, and we talk about real life.
Today's topic is a nice one, a soft one.
What is it?
Today, we talk about loving yourself.
Ooh, I like this topic.
Me too. Not in a big way, in a small, easy way.
Yes, just simple ideas for daily life.
Okay, let's start with a story. My story.
Tell me.
Yesterday, my friend called me. He said, "Let's go eat dinner."
And you said,
I said, yes, sure, no problem.
and you were tired?
So tired, very, very tired.
Then why did you say yes?
I don't know. My mouth said yes. My body said no.
Mouth and body don't talk to each other.
No, they are not friends today.
Maybe your mouth needs new friends.
Maybe a mouth that says, "No thank you, I'm tired."
That mouth sounds very wise.
One day I will meet that mouth.
What happened at dinner?
I smiled, I talked, but inside I thought, I want my bed.
Oh, Mr. B.
I think many people do this. They say yes, but they feel tired inside.
Yes, I think so too.
Do you do this, Anna?
Sometimes, yes.
Tell me your story.
Okay, last week I sent a long message to my friend.
A long message? About what?
About my new job. I was happy. I wrote many words.
And your friend said,
My friend wrote back, nice.
just nice?
Just nice. One word.
Oh no, the one-word reply. Very dangerous.
Yes, and I felt small, just for a moment.
That's normal, Anna.
I wanted my friend to say, wow, congratulations.
You wanted a big reaction.
Yes, I wanted approval.
What is approval?
Approval means someone says, good job, or I like this.
Ah, I understand. We all want that sometimes.
Yes, but if I only feel happy when people say, good job, that is a problem.
Because people are busy. Sometimes they don't have time to write more.
Exactly. My friend was busy, not unkind.
So, what did you learn from this?
I learned my value does not come from one message.
Wow, Anna, that's a big idea.
A small idea, but it helps.
Can I ask you something, Anna?
Of course.
After that nice message, what did you do?
At first, I checked my phone again and again.
Lasting for a second message?
Yes, I thought maybe they will write more.
We all do that sometimes.
After 1 hour, I closed my phone and made some tea.
Tea fixes many small problems.
Yes, tea and a little walk outside.
And how did you feel after?
I told myself, my news is still good news.
Even with one small word back?
Yes, their reply didn't change my real happy feeling.
That's a strong lesson, Anna.
I learned it the hard way, but I learned it.
Okay, learners, let's stop here for a moment.
Yes, let's ask you a simple question.
Do you sometimes say yes when you want to say no? Maybe yes, maybe no. There is no wrong answer.
My answer is yes, every Tuesday.
Every Tuesday. Why Tuesday?
I don't know. Tuesday is a weekday for me.
Okay, let's go back to our topic. So, loving yourself, what does that really mean?
For me, it means rest when you are tired.
Yes, simple but true.
It also means say no sometimes.
And it means be kind to yourself when you make a mistake.
Yes, not I am stupid, just I made a mistake. That's okay.
I like that. Soft words for yourself.
Because we are kind to our friends, but sometimes hard on ourselves.
True. If my friend is tired, I say, please rest.
But if you are tired, you say, go to dinner, no problem.
Exactly. Very bad manager. Bad MrB manager.
Bad manager, no day off.
Okay, so maybe loving yourself means being a kinder manager to yourself.
Yes, a kind manager, not a strict one.
Let's think about priority. What is a priority?
A priority is something important, something you put first.
Work is a priority. Family is a priority. Friends are a priority.
But you? Are you a priority too?
Good question.
Many people forget themselves on the list.
Like a list with everyone's name, but not yours.
Yes, exactly that.
I think it happens slowly, not in one day.
Right. First, you skip your lunch break for work.
Then you skip your rest for a friend's plan.
Then you skip your hobby for family things.
And one day, your list has everyone except you.
That's why we want to talk about this today.
Not to change everything tomorrow, just to notice it.
Yes, just notice. That's the first step.
Learners, tell us, are you on your own list? If your answer is no, that's okay. Today is a good day to add your name.
Just write your name. Small letters are okay too.
Yes, even tiny letters count. Okay, I think it's time for our word tour.
Yes, 6 easy words about loving yourself.
Our first word is tired.
Tired. Tired.
Tired means you need rest. Your body or your mind is not full of energy.
You can say, I feel tired today.
Or, I am tired, but I said yes anyway.
Our next word is rest.
Rest. Rest.
Rest means you stop working and relax.
You can say, I need rest tonight.
Or, rest is important for me too.
Next word, kind.
Kind. Kind.
Kind means you are nice and gentle to others or to yourself.
You can say, be kind to yourself.
Or, my friend is always kind to me.
Our next word is proud.
Proud. Proud.
Proud means you feel happy about something good you did.
You can say, I am proud of myself.
Or, she felt proud after her exam.
Next word, important.
Important. Important.
Important means it matters a lot.
You can say, my health is important.
Or, you are important too.
Our last word is brave.
Brave. Brave.
Brave means you do something even when it feels a little scary.
You can say, it was brave to say no.
Or, be brave and rest today.
Great. 6 words. Tired, rest, kind, proud, important, brave.
Try to use one word today, just one.
Now it's time to speak with MrB and Anna.
Yes, let's practice together. Repeat after us.
I am tired.
I need rest.
Be kind to yourself.
I am proud of myself.
You are important.
Be brave today.
Great job, everyone.
Your English is getting stronger every day.
Say it better. Now, let's make simple sentences sound a little better.
We take an easy sentence and we make it a little nicer.
First one, I am tired, but I say yes.
Better way, I am tired, but I always agree.
Next, I want people to say, good job.
Better way, I like hearing kind words from others.
Next, I am angry because I always help.
Better way, I feel upset because I help too much.
Next, I am also important.
Better way, my needs matter too.
Last one, don't be hard on yourself.
Better way, be gentle with yourself.
One more, I always think I am wrong.
Better way, I am learning to trust myself more.
Nice. Small changes, but it sounds more natural.
Yes, try using these in your daily English.
Okay, before we finish, one more question for you.
What is one small way you can be kind to yourself this week?
Maybe it's sleeping early.
Maybe it's saying no one time.
Maybe it's just saying, I am proud of myself.
Small steps, big change.
I want to say something simple before we finish.
What is it?
I don't need to be perfect to love yourself.
No, not perfect, just honest.
Some days will be easy, some days will be hard.
And that is okay. That is just life.
So today, maybe just say one kind word to yourself.
Just one. That's enough for today.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope this episode made you smile a little.
If you liked this episode, please subscribe to Podcast by MrB.
Leave a comment. Tell us your word from today.
And share this episode with a friend who needs to hear it.
Take care of your English and take care of yourself too.
Be kind. Be brave. Be proud.
See you next time.
Bye for now.